Welcome. This is a production by Reboot Awareness to deprogram and reprogram you to a higher state of consciousness in the alpha state. Never listen to this while driving or operating dangerous machinery. If you're ready to allow yourself to relax into the experience, say I am, enjoy. Let's begin.
Take a comfortable seat or lie down and allow your body to settle into a state of deep, profound rest. Close your eyes and take a long, slow breath in. And as you exhale, feel a wave of relaxation moving through you, from the crown of your head all the way down to the soles of your feet. And with each breath, you sink deeper, deeper into the body, deeper into the present moment, deeper into the silence that is always here, beneath the noise, beneath the thoughts, beneath the story of time. Now, bring your awareness to the very center of your being, to the place where your life force originates, the place that knows no age, no date of birth, no calendar, only the eternal now. And from this place, I invite you to imagine a fountain of liquid light, rising from the depths of the earth and flowing up through your body, through your feet, through your legs, through your torso, through your arms, through your head, and cascading gently back down, like a waterfall of pure, luminous energy. And this fountain is not water, it is the essence of life itself, the primordial intelligence that grows a child from a single cell, the intelligence that heals a wound, the intelligence that knows exactly how to renew, how to restore, how to regenerate. And as this fountain flows through you, you can feel it, a gentle tingling, a subtle warmth, a soft vibration, as your cells begin to remember their natural state, their original blueprint of vitality, of health, of youth. Now, I want you to bring your attention to your brain, the master control center of your entire being. And as you rest your awareness here, you can sense the intricate dance of neurochemicals, the messengers that shape your experience, your mood, your energy, your very perception of reality. And you can give a gentle, quiet instruction, not in words, but in intention, a permission, a command from the sovereign of your being. Release the chemicals of renewal. Release the hormones of vitality. Release the neurotransmitters of joy. And as you give this intention, you can feel the brain responding, releasing endorphins that create a sense of well-being, releasing growth hormone that signals the body to repair and regenerate, releasing dopamine that brings a sense of reward and pleasure. And you can feel these chemicals flowing through your body, carried by your blood, reaching every cell, every tissue, every organ. And the cells respond, they open, they receive, they activate their natural ability to renew themselves, to repair damaged DNA, to release accumulated waste, to restore their youthful function. And as this happens, you may feel a gentle warmth, a subtle energy, a sense of lightness as your body begins to shed the patterns of aging, not through force, but through a natural, effortless remembering of what it has always known. Now, let us turn our attention to the mind, to the stories you have been told about aging, to the beliefs you have inherited about what it means to grow older. And as you bring these beliefs into the light of your awareness, you can see them for what they are. Just thoughts, just programs, just echoes of a collective story that has no power over you unless you give it power. And you can choose now to release them, one by one. The belief that age means decline, release it. The belief that the body must deteriorate, release it. The belief that youth is something you lose, release it. And as you release these old programs, you create space for a new understanding, a new truth, a new way of being. And you can feel the mind shifting, softening, opening to a fresh perception of what youth truly is. Youth is not a number on a calendar. Youth is a state of consciousness. Youth is curiosity. Youth is playfulness. Youth is the willingness to explore. Youth is the ability to dream. Youth is the courage to begin again. And you can feel that state now, the state of youth, not as a memory, but as a present reality, a frequency you can access anytime you choose. And as you access this frequency, you can feel your body responding, not because you are trying to change it, but because your consciousness is shifting, and the body is simply following the command of the mind. The cells hear the new instruction. They begin to replicate more efficiently. They release the residues of stress. They restore their natural glow, their vitality, their resilience. And now, I want you to imagine yourself in a beautiful, radiant future. A future where you have fully embraced the youthful state, where your body feels strong, flexible, energetic, where your mind feels sharp, creative, playful, where your heart feels open, expansive, free. And as you imagine this version of yourself, you can step into it. You can feel what it feels like to be this person. You can breathe as this person. You can smile as this person. And you realize, this is not a future version of you. This is your true nature, the state you are returning to, the state you have always been beneath the layers of conditioning. And you can take this feeling with you as you return to full waking awareness, carrying the knowledge that you are not bound by time, not limited by a number, not defined by a story. You are the awareness that experiences the body, and that awareness is ageless. That awareness is eternal. That awareness is you. Now, I will count from 1 to 5, and when I reach 5, you can open your eyes, feeling refreshed, renewed, and deeply connected to the fountain of youth that flows within you. 1. Beginning to return, feeling your body, feeling your breath. 2. More aware of the room, more present in this moment. 3. The energy of renewal still flowing, the chemicals of vitality still active. 4. Feeling young, feeling free, feeling alive. 5. Eyes open, fully awake, fully refreshed, fully you. Welcome back.